What's up, guys? Welcome to your Bitcoin update. Just wanted to say, for all of those people that were saying I would get wrecked in my short, I did not, and I hope you didn't get wrecked. But anyways, let's take a look at what's going on. We got a bounce off the 0.382 fib. And for those that are wondering, before you ask, my short, remember I was laddering in my shorts. My last laddering was 52,000. My average was 51.1. I cashed out on my initial capital and 50% of my profit at 44,000. I may add some more shorts later. I'm going to watch and see how this plays out, give it time to cool off. We'll see what happens. But right now, I still have 50% of my profits in the short, and my stop loss is at 51,350, and I will show you why. If we go in here, put in the fibs on from the top to the bottom. Oh yeah, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash those thumbs up. We've been calling this for a while. So the reason I put my stops there, that's right above the 0.786 and above the 0.618 of the bigger picture. That's why my stops are now at 51,350. Again, I took profits and my initial investment out at 44,000. So anyways, I hope those of you that shorted done well. I hope those of you that longed didn't get wrecked. And remember, guys, never trade off of anyone's calls, not my calls, not the Moonboy calls. What I do on this channel is try to tell you what I'm doing and why, and how I'm reading the charts, in hopes that you learn how to read the charts. That is all I'm trying to do here. So anyways, I'm not making calls. I'm telling you what I'm doing. So anyways, let's see. let's go into what's going on. Was this the end of B-Wave? Definitely a possibility. Keep an eye on this 0.5 fib. See where this 4-hour closes. We have a half hour till it closes. The 0.5 fib is at 46,954. So again, was this the end of the B wave and start of the C wave? Definitely a possibility. But remember, there's still a possibility we could get back up into this range. That's why I did put my stops in at 51,350, because if it goes higher than that, all I'm going to be doing is looking for another short opportunity. And I will let you guys know what I'm doing as I do it. We talked about this being a redistribution phase. And this looks almost identical to over here. And if we zoom in and look at that first candle drop on the 4-hour from over there, you'll see that it had a big wick also, just like the one we're seeing now. Let me zoom in. This is when it broke down from that distribution. You can see the big wick. Let's go to where we're at now. And there we go. Seeing the big wick again. Looks an awful lot like it. Is it guaranteed? Not at all. But is it a possibility? Yes. Let's also look at where the RSI was when that happened. So the RSI right now is down at the 30 point range. Let's see where it was over here. Same thing. We were down in the lows, guys. So be careful, be cautious, and always, always, always do your own due diligence and your own research. And if you are interested in trading on by far, I've noticed a lot of platforms, trading platforms, are shutting down. People couldn't get out. Otherwise, I use Prime XBT. They are by far the best exchange. They don't shut down when all the other ones do. If they do shut down, it's because they're doing maintenance, and they give you about 3 days prior ahead of time. But if you are interested in trading, definitely check out. Let's go over to my page right here. There is Prime XBT tutorial. It teaches you how to use their margin. A lot of people get confused. Also teaches you where to put in my promo code SAVVY50 to get you 50% on top of whatever you deposit as a bonus to use towards your margin. SAVVY25 to get you 25% off your fees. They're good for 30 days. After that 30 days, you could just set up another account using just your email, because of course they don't do KYC, and shifting your money over, and you get them bonuses again. There's also some tutorials in here you guys might want to check out. But anyways, so that's what I'm seeing, guys. It's definitely looking a lot like that's what happened here. That's a huge, huge candle, red candle. Let's take a look at when it dropped over here, same thing, right around the, whoops, that's not the one, right around that 200 EMA. Same area we're at right now, guys. This is looking almost like an identical fractal. We drew this in yesterday. We were talking about this. We did break down out of here, guys. So if we came back up to test this again and be around the 250, somewhere in that range. But let's take a look at, that is one huge bearish engulfing candle there. Beware. So this is what we were talking about. Although, you know, I believe that we could be starting the C wave down, does not mean it goes straight down. Remember, we talked about this getting possibly another bounce around that 30,000 area, come back up, another bull trap, getting everybody super bullish again, and coming back down and possibly just breaking down from there sometime in next year, the actual bottom, in my opinion. Let's take a look at some other stuff here. So what is this? Oh, this is a 15-minute chart. I don't know why it's on that, but that's looking pretty damn ugly. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. And then I'll get in the chat here and chat with you guys. So the 1 hour is making obviously a bullish looking candle there. Let's see what it looked like back over in the other dump. Even that 1 hour candle, same thing, bullish 1 hour candle after that break there. So again, guys, be careful. Just don't get overly bullish or overly bearish. But right now, obviously, we're getting a bounce. This is way oversold. I expect a bounce, maybe some sideways action, maybe another fake pump up. Like I said, I may add to my shorts. I will let you guys know what I'm doing. If you guys would too, go check out my wife's webpage, anchorimage.com. Definitely the best seller right now in there is, it says sold out still. I don't know why, because it is not sold out, but it is the Divergence cheat sheet. Definitely check it out. It is a mouse pad, so you can keep it on your desk. She can also put that on picture frames or all kinds of different stuff. Just hit her up in the contact if you have any questions. She can put anything you want on any of this stuff. Okay, so this is what we've been talking about. Remember, this blue line is the bull's last hope. Let me show you why. Again, guys, don't forget to smash the likes, but let's take a look at the big picture here that we've been looking at since forever. Google user, this is a priceless title of the vid. Thanks, man. I appreciate the super chat. So looking at this, a parabolic rise. Once we broke this, we started a bear market. That was back in 2014. 2017, same thing. Once we broke the parabolic rise, we were in the bear market. And we broke it over here. And I've showed you guys why I believe that was the true break. As you can see, we rode that trend line for a minute before breaking through, and it was obvious when it broke through. Now, the last line of hope, I did draw this in there for the bulls using this bottom wick. If at any time we break this blue one, which we bounced almost perfectly off of it, but if we break this blue line at any time, that's it for the bulls. They have no more reason to say they're bullish. Let's take a look at, so we talked about this yesterday, and as you can see, this is the Firefly TA bull market barrier. Boom, we nailed that top right where I said that it hits every time after the dump and then the bull trap. We hit that center red line every time. You can see it back here. Same thing, guys, over and over and over again, but this time's different, right? Again, I'm not saying it can't go to new all-time highs, but I'm saying it feels an awful lot like 2018 here. People are angry, mean, trolling, just for sure it's going to 100,000, just like in 2018. And I know a lot of you guys weren't around there. Hopefully, from being in this market this year, you will understand next time. Can I call you Cryptodamus? So anyways, unsubscribe from other YouTubers. Savvy are the only one I need. You should always watch and get other people's perspectives, not just one person. Find someone else that's, you know, decent and follow them. Looks like the rest of the market is going down with it. That's usually what happens. Saved me from going long yesterday. Right on, man. remember, I didn't save you from anything. You made the decision. I don't tell anyone when to buy, when to sell, when to short, or when to long. What I do is tell you what I'm doing. I'm not saying what I'm doing is 100% correct, but I've managed to be profitable and get totally out of debt. I don't have to work for anyone anymore. So what I'm doing is working. I'm going to stick to it. Today, there will be more than 700 likes for Savvy, I think. Well, I hope so. There's almost 1,000 people in here and only 300 likes, but it is what it is. If you guys don't follow me on Twitter, give me a follow on Twitter. It's at CryptoSavvy1. And the Discord, there is a link to the free Discord group down below. Definitely check it out. Ritzwan, Savvy, you are a boss. Thankfully, cashed out a half salary in one day. Thanks to your 52K BTC call. Thanks, man. I appreciate the super chat. But again, it's not me. You're the one that made the decision. I'd never tell anybody what to do. I just tell you what I'm seeing and what I'm doing. Oh, yeah, the dollar. Let's take a look at that. Boom. Dollar's looking pretty good. Getting support on the 55 EMA on the 4 hours. So, yeah, as we expected, dollar getting a pump there. Dow Jones looking pretty dumpy. Gold looking pretty dumpy. And, you know, my view on gold has not changed. View on silver has not changed. Litecoin, let's see what happened to Litecoin. Litecoin is not looking good. Ethereum, same thing. Ethereum, I think, pretty much probably topped out there too. So be careful with that, guys. If you are playing with the alts, I do not play with alts. Don't care to play with alts. It's like playing a game of chicken if you're playing in the altcoins. It's literally the same thing as penny stocks. So anyways, this is the best case, I believe, coming back down to the 32, 33 range and getting a bounce. But as I said, I think that will just be a, we'll make some form of a triangle down in here, just like we did in 2018, possibly, or just, you know, straight down for C. But nevertheless, I do think we are in a bear market, but that is my opinion. Let's see what all the bulls blame this on, because they always blame these dumps on something. But if you've been around this channel, you know we have been waiting for this, calling for this, just like we were at 64K. So, and they'll always come up with excuses. It was Elon Musk back then. It'll probably be El Salvador or something this time. I've watched many channels, and this is now the only I watch regularly. Don't know how you do it, Savvy. You're the crypto man. Thanks, man. All I'm doing is reading the charts, telling you what I'm seeing. And again, guys, nothing's 100% guaranteed. Nobody knows exactly where the market's going, but I do my best to show you how I see it and why I see it and what leads me to that. And I hope that you guys actually learn from that and start doing it yourself. So anyways, thanks a lot, guys. I just wanted to give you guys this quick update. I told you what I'm doing. If you just got in here and didn't see, go back to the beginning of the video. Make sure you guys smash those likes. I do appreciate it. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I appreciate all the support you've been giving me and all the support you've been giving my wife on her webpage, anchorimage.com, down below. Check it out, guys. Oh, so what's this? Quantify, correct, whale manipulation. Most people are just waking up, whales selling, or maybe miners, blah, blah, blah. It's all in the charts, guys. It's all in the charts. For those of you that have never been to this channel, I'm going to go ahead and show you this right now. And we do members videos on the weekends, but remember I did say I probably won't be doing member video this weekend because I'm going out of town Thursday. I'll do a Thursday video, maybe not Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, because I am going up north in Michigan. My Wi-Fi may not be that good. I am going to bring my laptop though, so in case I can do them, I will do them. But anyways, for those of you that haven't seen, this was from March 24th of this year, right before we topped. This was before we topped. After distribution, basically like a fake out or a stop hunt, and then down from there. Look like if it plays out, and we go to that 63 or 64,000. Again, this is just for those of you that to kind of get a hold of the sentiment. When I was calling this stuff, everybody was real rude and obnoxious, just like they are now. Get wrecked savvy, get wrecked savvy. And then when it plays out, then they come up with some kind of excuse, but it was all in the charts, guys. Just like right here, instead of this being an ABC, this could be a 1 down here, 36 range. In my opinion, exactly what happened. Look for a nice bounce in June. Might be a good time to long for another a wave B. Now the wave B should go like a ABC. Maybe we'll get up to the 41, back down to the 30, and then back up to maybe the 51, 52,000 range. So just so you guys know, and we talked about everyone getting extremely bullish in this B wave, and that's exactly what's been happening. And for someone that just asked about my short, I explained earlier in the video, you can rewind and go back to the beginning, and I tell you exactly what I've done with my shorts. Greatest bear trap of my century. All right, guys. I think that's about it. Wanted to get this out to you real quick, and hope you're all doing well. Again, don't forget to smash that like button. I do appreciate it. Have a great day. I wish everyone the best if you are trading. But again, kind of watch. It's probably going to be in limbo here for a while. You can see what happened after the big dump over here. We had probably 2 or 3, actually, yeah, about 3 or 4 days of just ranging in this area before we took our next dump. And then we came back up for one more fake out, which is just a wave 2, which we'll probably see here. This being wave 1, then we'll probably see 2 come back up into that 50,000 range and then back down within the next, probably this week. So be careful, guys. No, I'm not out riding yet. Stay safe. We're leaving Thursday, so like I said, you'll get a Thursday morning video, but that may be the last one until Monday. So Looney, I did not save your bucks. You did, bud. It was all your decision. So anyways, thanks a lot, guys. I'm out of here for real this time. I gotta go. Bye.